Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Carrie. I'm a product-based business coach and I work with subscription box and e-commerce businesses and help you make more money and increase your customers' visibility, traffic, all the things. We are gonna dive into an affiliate program. It's something that a lot of people have questions about. I love affiliate programs. I love teaching about them, and I wanna give you some tips on how to get started and how to have a really successful affiliate program. Before we dive in, if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and tap that subscribe button and let's get started. So an affiliate program is super important for any product business. It's going to be one of the biggest ways where you can increase your visibility, increase your brand awareness, get your product in front of all sorts of new people. And my favorite part is that it will help you get blog features. So to grow your business, you have to have your business featured in lots of different places. You need blog features, you need YouTube features, you need podcast features. An affiliate program will help you get those because it incentivizes people to write about you. So for example, I have a blog and I'm writing, here are the 5 best hair products that I love for female entrepreneurs. It's an example. And then I would include 5 products that I like. So I might be incentivized to include maybe 3 products that I have affiliate partnerships with, because then I can make commission. And again, we always want to be thinking, how can we increase our streams of revenue? So that's why I love affiliate programs, is that it can help your visibility and increase your brand awareness. A few simple ways to get started. One is you have to choose your affiliate platform. My favorite is Refersion. I have used Refersion and I've used ShareASale. I love ShareASale, but I like Refersion for a few different reasons. One is that it's easy to sign up. 2, it gives people the chance when they sign up to be an affiliate, they can create their own coupon code where they can share with their followers right away. Where ShareASale, it doesn't give you that option. You have to manually go in and create a coupon code and add that to their account. So I feel like, given the rise of Instagram and video, I think Refersion is a better and smarter choice for an affiliate program. So that would be your first step. The second step is, what kind of commission are you gonna give? 10%, 20%, etc. With Refersion too, you can also do credit to your store or cash. I recommend cash, because not everyone wants to buy stuff from your store over and over. It's paid out through PayPal, but you want to figure out what your affiliate commission rate is. Most businesses do 10%, that's fine. So if you're not sure, do 10% and move on. The next part is that you want to set up your sign up page. So in Refersion, it gives you a very basic looking page where you can do an image, some text, talk about, the program. And if you're like, well, I don't know anything about affiliate programs, go to Refersion. They have a website, or you can go to Shopify apps and then look at the platform and you can just learn a little bit more about what it does. Basically how an affiliate program works, just to kind of backtrack, is that I have a product and then person over here writes a blog post or posts on Instagram, hey, you guys should check out this product and use my code Charlie for 10% off. And then if people buy, Charlie receives 10% commission of that sale. And so that's how an affiliate program works. And so you want to figure out the commission payout, and then you want to set up your pages, and then that part's easy. Then you want to just start promoting it. You build some assets, so a couple graphics that people can share on their blog or their Instagram stories. And then the big part is promotion. Like, you have to reach out to people that are in your niche. So you want to think, who's in my niche that could be a great influencer or affiliate for me? And so really as easy as, I want you to think people on Instagram and then bloggers. So bloggers are going to be really important for your business because they're going to feature you in their blogs, and that's going to help you grow. So I want you to think beyond Instagram. You want to think bloggers, YouTubers, who can write about me that would generate sales. So if you're a pet business, find pet bloggers, find people on YouTube who do pet related videos and they do unboxings. That's the kind of person that you want to send product to and also have them be an affiliate, basically. And then outreach is just like with your customers. When your customers buy from you, you always invite them, hey, we have an affiliate program. So that's just a couple quick steps to get started with an affiliate program. I highly recommend it. Refersion is my top choice right now. I'm gonna drop a link below, check them out. If you have a Shopify store, Refersion is, I think, the best one right now. It's easy to use, and an affiliate program is gonna help you get so much visibility for your business. Just to give you an example, the first year I used a affiliate program from my old product-based business. I made about $20,000 in sales the first year, almost doing nothing. You know, the best part of an affiliate program is that other people are promoting you. You don't have to do anything. It's literally the greatest thing. So I love affiliate programs. I want you to think about that for your business. So if you have a subscription box or a e-commerce, get on Refersion, get an affiliate program. You will not regret it. If you guys have any questions, drop a comment below and tell me if you have an affiliate program or if you're going to start one. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later.